For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.
Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. Orlando Pirates collecting maximum points against Mr. Orlando Stadium, ne? Where Orlando Pirates were playing against Polokwane City. Remember, these two teams are playing for the second time this season. They met in the MTN 8 quarterfinals.
Yes.
The Orlando Pirates are winning 2-0. But namhlanje bebedlala a league game. Orlando Pirates collecting an important 3 points and trying to close that gap between Bona and the log leaders. But there's still someone in front of them before Bofika log leaders. There's this Kukune, who are number 2 on the log. Mr. So, mandukubulisa dada kunjani?
Athi ngibulisa Mr. Nkewu, ngibulisa Stizi, ngibulisa chairman my chairman. Ngibulisa Olindo Cardoso. Olindo Mkwena. Bese kuba uBobo Cardoso. Ngibulisa Machaka nomhlekazi omhle.
So.
Ongasukubhubha ngecawe.
Hayi legend.
Ngilibulisa nemakhaya ngicela support njalo iTiski TV. Ngizobeka nje njalo ngijike futhi.
Mr. So,
Jeni
before sithathe ngomdlalo ngifuna nje ukubuza something. Le team wawuyidlalela ifuna amathuba mangaphi uzibe kanti bayakwazi ukuthi bawungcwaba umdlalo, because in my own opinion I think lo mdlalo bekusuppose uphele in the 70th minute, bekusuppose ukudala uphelile.
Shane, let me use my experience, Vandag. You know, when you've got a very big game over the weekend, fana ukuthi mawuphethe 100 rand ungathengi sinkwa for today ukhohlwe weekend. So kumele uthenge ubeke 50 rand uzothenga futhi weekend sinkwa, ngoba manje mawuzothenga 100 rand la uyothenga ngani weekend, so kushuda kudliwa weekend. Manje namhlanje we said no, you know what, let's just put them under pressure, let's save Lamagoli Lawa for weekend, because weekend we need 4 goals, and it's possible that we can get that 4 goals if we can go on like this tonight. Yes, Shane, it's a bit worrying, to be really honest. It's worrying. It's a serious thing that in all the chances that they've created, you know, it was so difficult for them to score. And those are easy, like I'm a tap in. I mean, Nemtejela, Tito, Mahopa, Butuma, Apolise. Okay, as well, all the attacking players.
You counted about 5 chances. So
it's worrying, but it's not something that really I can go to hospital and admit for that. Because the good thing is they create those chances. So it also says to the coach, we are getting there. We are in that final third. We are in that box. Now the matter of just passing the net. That's all that they need to do. But yes, it was a second half. It started to swing for Ilonduzana, for Polokwane City, where they came back second half. They look like now they're in the game. Abapuleng, they coming all right. Matuludi, they look good. Even though Pirates at some moment they had to create those chances, and but the game was. I enjoyed the game.
The first 10-15 minutes of the second half, Polokwane City bonakala ngathi coach put something abaxele yona. Do you think mhlawumbe enye yazo was that guys badiniwe abantu? They landed in the country, I think a couple of hours ago, okanye balele in the country on Monday morning.
Yes.
Banako ukudinwa. Go with them and try and find something.
Yeah, I think second half changed, because when you look at their body language, now they're willing to attack. They're going to push Paris defense. They're pushing the midfielders of Paris to come and work. But, sometimes, Shane, when you've got, I don't know how to put it in that manner, I just need a proper word, because Pirates have got quality players. So those quality players, they also plays a part in terms of, pound to pound. My players at Polokwane City, they can't match my players at Pirates. So that's why Ubonuguti, they will always have an edge, because those are good players. I mean, look at Butuma, how he protects and lay back, Kunen, Nemtejela and late. It tells you that beside playing as a group or as a team, but as individual players, by Pirates, no, they're good.
And guy body man of the match too.
Yeah.
Lomdlalo, but there's one player that I can single
Yes.
out. Sihle Nduli
Yes.
had an exceptional game. There was a scare also in the first half where we thought ukuthi he might be out, injured, but sabona eqhubekeka ngegame up until he finished the game. What did you make of him namhlanje?
Yeah. No. Unduli, I even said to kulontuzana kulindo manje ukuthi Unduli, we can take him simfake lapha kubafana azogada laphana lama million wethu lapha njengoba sakho ngalikhaya.
Ufuna bekula flight so.
Azosigadela lapha esuswini. Agade lapha yana so that Mkwena can give us that edge in attacking. Because right now when you look at our team, if Mkwena alaphaya esosothembela kumbule nobani, maybe Nombatha, but when we've got somebody ozosigadela imali laphaya, siyazi ukuthi Mkwena can give us something. Yabo. So Unduli is doing very well in that position, and he makes life easy for Tito, easy for Nemtejela, easy for the fullbacks to go up, because what they're doing is as soon as the fullbacks are going up, about 2 center backs, they stretch out. When they stretch out, then Unduli Umanji just like in the middle, Bama sort of like a triangle. For me, yeah, now my man of the match, Unduli, he's been doing very well, but ngingathuka kancane Shane man, where ngingambona yabamba idolo laphana, but I suspect Shane, I'm saying now, I suspect Unduli after a game, after about 4 hours a game iphelile, is going to cry with that knee. Because the way abhalance ngakhona, yeah, I think uzithinta laphana kancane. So for me now, since I lead 1-0, I can put Ulontuzana Umbatha to say Umbatha go and sit laphana and then give me rest Unduli, because Unduli is a key player that we need over the weekend.
Sure. So there was also another player namhlanje Dlaleyo, Uhoto, remember he played over the weekend.
Yeah.
But Undaba, he played namhlanje. Mane sinikwe minutes. Mane ngena second half because game bese benchini, but namhlanje started the game, finished the game. Yena ubone ndoni kuye namhlanje?
No, look, the boy looked decent when I shade. Yes, in football, if you don't have that eye as maybe you can think with that boy he's not a good player. That boy is good. He knows when to go up. He knows when to come back.
Yeah.
It was only the matter of those touches. Timing yake.
Especially in the final third.
Yeah, timing yake nje let it down. But I like him. I just want to see him more in terms of playing, because I think he can give us something that Duote doesn't give us in terms of getting to that final third and play those good passes.
Now, so sibuke lomdlalo from now up until yayophela. Now, going into that all-important game over the weekend, I'm sure zikhona izinto sibonileyo namhlanje, so where Orlando Pirates, they can make that comeback, or Orlando Pirates, I don't see them coming back from that 3-0 deficit bebetyo khona eCongo. Based on the performance namhlanje, so indoni ekwenza positive ukuthi Orlando Pirates ngabuya from 3-0 down.
Shady, one is, yes, some teams you can worry about, because they were Polokwane City, they were sitting back in the next party, but trouble a team that they went to play away, traveling, coming back, when they were sitting. But the good thing is that when I look at it generally, how Orlando Pirates have played, for me, it looks positive. I've got confidence that come over the weekend, Pirates, they can win. They've got players. They've shown by creating chances. It was just a matter of putting that ball in the net. And for that, yeah, Pirates. Esimnyama zakhe phurumuzi ngamasipala zawenzo wawo. Nako bafethu sebafikile labantu, ngizwile abantu bafikile bafethu. Phezu kwabo Saturday.
Thank you so much. That's Benedict Vilakazi, Orlando Pirates all-time leading goal scorer. Beishayi net namhlanje Saturday lapha eDiski TV. Thank you so much. It's Orlando Pirates who have won against the Polokwane City kumdlalo weBetway Premiership Orlando Stadium. Thank you so much for watching eDiski TV.
Shapunjani bafowethu, igama lami Lindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Tanko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe eDiski TV.